Can you believe this F-250 came from the auction looking just like this? Today we're going to be deep cleaning the inside of this thing and making it look like new by the end of this video. So if you are new, hit that subscribe button down below and let's get started. I need you to comment down below, have you ever seen a vehicle this dirty before? Because this one was nasty. But thankfully, there was no carpets on the floor, it was this rubberized floor, so it made the vacuuming very, very quick and easy. If you are interested in knowing what products I use to detail these cars in my videos, I have them all linked in the description box below for you guys to check out. It's crazy to think that the back of this seat was only cleaned with steam and a microfiber towel. That's all it took to get that dirt dislodged and making that back look like new. Because this truck was covered with a lot of dirt, grime, grease, and everything else kind of caked in there from never being cleaned on the inside ever before, I definitely relied on the steam cleaner a lot to help with blowing out a lot of those, caked in particles that just the detailing brush wouldn't get by itself. And I also relied on the drill brush quite a bit just because everything was so caked on there, on the seats especially, that there was no other way that I would have got those clean if I did not rely on the drill brush and the steam cleaner. The funny thing is with this shot and a couple other shots earlier on, you could actually see some bugs that were inside the car moving around. In this one, I have a stink bug here, but in the vacuuming part, I definitely had some spiders that were crawling out of the nooks and crannies. Now, if I was to offer you $5,000, Who would lick up some of this dirty mud? Let me know down below. It wouldn't be me, I'll tell you that much. Now, seatbelts are one of the trickiest components to clean. Luckily, with them being outside of the vehicle, I can hit them with the drill brush or the steam cleaner in this instance to get these things completely cleaned up, and that way they look like new again. Now, for all of you wondering how long this detail took, this one took about 6 to 7 hours to get completely cleaned, because when you get dust like this, it gets into every nook and cranny, every part of the vehicle, and it just takes a ton of time to blow it out for one, like you just saw, and two, then to wipe it all up. Sometimes I wonder why carpets are even inside vehicles when you can have a floor like this. It's sound deadening and super easy to clean, but I guess that's why it's an option for most trucks. Don't forget to comment down below if you've ever seen a car this dirty before. Not anymore, obviously, because it's clean, but let me know, and go ahead and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you next time.